not to display. Now he got perfect brakes, huh? Now we got perfect brakes, huh? How about we wheel it in? Wheel it in, wheel it out. How about it? How about it? Wheel it in, wheel it out. That's right. Real questions to ask. When did you start cleaning your garden? You can ask those questions. I mean, everybody's felt it at some point. I mean, I've seen real ones, or not real ones, but powerful people, powerful, talented people. This one will go the most respect. He's got to go to school with your neighbor. mean, it's not fully bad, the dream stuff, but it's a little less invasive, a little more, it's a little more fun. We gonna get it back though. Yup. You know what I mean? Cause we like that. We like that, baby. Let's see if it ride though. Do it ride though. Yup. Yup. You know what I mean? Come on, man. You know what I mean? Check this out though. You know. Yeah, I mean, we had a little mishap. But this is going with the poem. This is going with the poem. Little 6-minute bike repair. Check us out, man. Yes, sir. Real hood stuff, you know what I mean? Yep. This should be background beat. Let's get the Audacity open, you know what I mean? Something about the spokes, man. You know, something about the spokes. You know, something about spoken just turns things carnival. You know, why does it sound like a carnival or a circus, you know? But you think about spoken reasons or, you know, spoken word when performed does not seem like a carnival, but I think it turns into one eventually. You can turn it into one eventually. Not in a bad way. We're going to talk about this sound. You know? But... yeah, I mean, you've seen it, though. But we'll get Audacity open for 2 seconds. 2 seconds. And then we'll close it out spinning. We're going to close it out spinning. You know what I mean? We're going to close it out spinning and winning. I said we out here spinning and winning, baby. Check us out. Yes, sir. But we got our hands dirty, you know what I mean? After work, a little post-shift work, you know what I mean? But fireworks coming. Run. But, you know, check us out. Hands dirty. Get some, baby. You know what I mean? Out here getting it and whatnot. All day. All day, every day, man. You're not doing something for yourself, you're just not getting it, you know what I mean? We do it for ourselves. We do it for our community, you know what I mean? We work on ourselves to be more useful. But, you know, you see somebody, their whole thing fall off. I'll show you after, man. You see something, their whole thing fall off, you go over and help them. I seen a little kid. He was just messy. He was just fixing his chain. You know, last time I seen someone in a similar situation, I took one step towards him, and he figured it out. But, you know, just goes to show, you know what I mean? Always stay ready. Always stay ready. You never know when something like that might happen. But we out. This is what did it, though. We came down here, not even, you know what I mean, at a reasonable speed, and we tried to do a little pop. Oh, looks like the chain came off anyway, so we still got that to work on. But we'll get that, you know. We'll get that. The chain popped off. Or not, yeah, the chain popped off and the whole front tire came off. But, you know, we'll figure that out and we'll get it resolved. We'll get it resolved for real. We'll get it resolved for real, though.